As I'm sitting waiting outside in the waiting room, my mother looks at me and she says, "You've already lost enough weight. Are you sure you want to do this?" I said, "Mother, I still have almost 200 pounds to lose." No. And then I went into surgery. I just remember thinking, as of today, you're going to change your life. Waking up from surgery, you're on pain meds. You don't feel pain. And then I had a major setback. I felt a little odd. And I asked the nurse, can I go back to my room? She says, "Rebecca, but you're doing well." I said, "Let me go back to my room." I lay down and I start looking at the icy next to me. And I started eating it, and then I started spitting up what I thought was the icy, and I thought, oh, my stomach didn't like it. As I start wiping my mouth, I start seeing red. And I looked down at the icy, and I'm all like, this is white, this is red. Okay, I'm bleeding. Right as one of my doctor friends was coming in to see me, he walked in through the door, and I just grabbed my gown and throwing up blood. What's happening to me? Oh my God, I'm dying. This is not what I signed up for. Before you knew it, I had my surgical team was around me. They take me back into the OR. And I hear them whispering, and it's like, okay, what's wrong? "Well, you're not doing very well. You've lost a lot of blood." "Okay, so what do you think it is?" "Well, we don't know where it's coming from." "Okay, so what are we going to do about it?" "Well, let's take you in and see first where it's coming from." "Okay." We go into the OR, we come back out. I remember just waking up and thinking, boy, the anesthesiologist is really cute. And he comes over to me and he says, "Rebecca, are you okay?" I said, "I am now, And the doctor comes over to me and I said, "Okay, doc, how bad is it?" "I don't know where it's coming from, but you have a hole in your stomach. And I'm going to call it a miracle and just tell you that it healed on its own." I ended up in ICU for 4 or 5 days. I thought, well, how in the hell are you going to finish this journey if you can't even get out of the hospital? They wanted me to drink the protein drinks. Oh, this is horrible. This is too sweet. And I thought, wait a minute. When have I ever thought anything was too sweet? I started with the ice chips. Then I started with another type of protein that I was able to stomach. My birthday was the next day. This was my birthday present. So I had a struggle with the drinking of the water and taking the sips and taking my medications and, but I made it out. I made it out right on time. It's not an easy surgery. You hear that you're taking the easy way out. And I'm thinking, easy way out? They're going to cut me up. They're going to reroute my intestines. I've never been secretive about my surgery. On the contrary, I posted it all over Facebook. But in telling people that I had surgery comes a lot of questions. It comes a lot of opinions. And one of them was, you took the easy way out.